Hello there, lovelies. Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are getting things on and popping for the new year. And if you guys want to see how I created this bomb makeup look, definitely make sure that you check out the description box down below so you can know all the details on this look. But this video is not about the makeup, it is all about the wigs. And today we have our first wig review featuring this wig from Bobbi Boss. This is the Bobbi Boss lace front wig Cherie, and I will leave all her details down below where you can find her. I did pick her up at my local beauty supply store, but I will have some links for you guys, so definitely make sure that you check out the description box. And we're just gonna go ahead and unbox Miss Cherie. Now this unit is a straight synthetic wig, and she is longer than a bob but not like mid-back, so I thought this was kind of like a perfect, nice, super sleek look to kind of start the new year, giving, you know, grown and sexy vibes. And I just really love the color on this unit. As you guys can see, she has a variety of lights, highlights, blonde, 613, light honey brown. So I really do love the color. And you guys, this wig was super duper full and just voluminous. And we're just gonna get right into the construction. Now she is a 613 wig, so she has lace from ear to ear. And she also does have two combs in the front by the temple area. You also do get a comb in the back of the nape, and she also does come with adjustable straps. So you have lots of security options with this wig. And another thing that I do like about this wig is there is a mesh layer over top of the parting space, and you guys will definitely see later how that plays a key factor in this slay. And they also did pre-pluck the hairline on this unit, which I really do love. And you guys, look how transparent that lace is, okay? Like, honestly, you really could get away with just a little bit of makeup powder, but you already know I'm gonna give you guys the sauce on how to melt this lace into your scalp. Alright, you all, so we're just gonna go ahead and slide this wig off so we can get into today's install. And you guys, a shout out to my favorite hairstylist here in the 804. She definitely did slay these cornrows, and you guys, having a good foundation for your wigs definitely will help improve the longevity of your install as well as just the appearance of it as well. So I would definitely suggest, if you can, find somebody to cornrow your hair or cornrow your hair yourself. For me, I find this best, especially with having thick 4C type hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and slide on my wig cap. Now, I like to use a wig cap that is about one shade lighter than my complexion, just so that way it will kind of mimic a scalp-like appearance underneath my wig cap. And this install today is a very beginner friendly, easy, like on the go install. So the first thing we're going to do is tint the lace on this wig, and I'm going to be using the even tinted lace spray in the shade medium brown. You guys, I have been loving this tinted lace spray ever since I got my hands on it. Like, literally, I don't use any makeup, powder, concealer, none of that anymore, foundation, none of that stuff. This product is so easy to use. You can literally just apply a little bit at a time and build up your color. And it's simple to do. I mean, you literally can tint your lace in literally 1 minute. And one thing that I do like to do after I have sprayed on my desired amount of tint spray is grab my blow dryer and just further reinforce that dry, so that way the product is not transferable. And here I'm just sliding the wig on my head. And if you guys are enjoying this wig tutorial / review thus far, please make sure that you smash that like button and also drop me a comment down below. And again, I'm just sliding the wig on, pushing that bottom comb from the nape into the nape of my hairline, and then we're going to secure in the top combs. And oh baby, this wig was giving me so much life. As you all can see, like, I literally was just loving her, and I hadn't even cut the lace off yet. And just look how full this wig looks for it to be a straight synthetic wig. Like, you guys, this wig right here is saying Miss Ashley Michelle, okay? Address me as Miss, okay? Next, I'm going to use some banana hair clips to clip the front portion of the wig out the way, so that way I can begin to cut the lace off the wig. And you guys, there really is no secret method to how I cut my lace off. The main thing I like to do is just start with the sideburns. I have a really low growing hairline, so I pretty much always cut the sideburns completely off of all of my wigs, just because my hairline is always going to peek through anyway. So that's the first thing that I'm doing, basically cutting that extra lace off of the sideburns. After I've cut off the sideburns, I'm just going to cut the lace straight across my hairline. Now I'm not cutting all the lace off, just getting about rid of half of the lace, just so that way it's a little bit easier for me to work with. And once you actually get close to the hairline, you do want to make sure that you are using a jagged motion, regardless if you're using scissors or a razor comb, just because it's going to make the hairline look less natural if you just go straight across. So that's what you guys see me doing here. I'm basically taking my razor comb to get as close as I would like to the hairline to get off that extra lace. And it really just depends on your preference how much lace you would like to leave on, but I typically try to get as much of it off as I can, so that way it'll look as natural as possible. And now I am straightening up this part to my liking, so that way it just frames my face a little bit better. So I'm just going back in and reinforcing that middle part. And you guys, do you all see that scalp illusion? Okay, that's what that mesh material that we saw in the beginning, that's what's showing through. You're not even really seeing my wig cap, but that mesh material. And you guys, that just looks like scalp, and you literally don't have to apply any other concealer or makeup on top of that. Like, it literally looks like it's pouring out of my head. And that's probably my favorite thing about this entire unit, is that mesh lace that they give you underneath the wig, because it just makes the install a whole lot easier and beginner friendly. Now I'm going to be using my hot comb to flatten out the top of the wig, because when I redid the parting space, as you all can see, one side of the wig just looks a little bit more fuller than the other side. So I'm taking my hot comb to flatten out both sides, so that way it literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp and it doesn't really have that wig effect. So this is one tool that, you guys, it's a must. You must have a hot comb in your wig tool collection. I'm trying to tell you, it really does elevate your wig game, and it just makes the wigs look a whole lot more natural. And after I go in with my hot comb, I'm just going to follow up with my wax stick to just get rid of any flyaways. And do you guys see that scalp? Do you see the scalp? I know you see it. This is what we're giving in 2022, okay? We are giving scalp. We are serving scalp in 2022, okay? Period. And you all, this is pretty much it for our very first wig review for 2022. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below of what things that you are ready for in 2022, and also your thoughts on this unit. If you would try this unit, let me know. And do not forget to subscribe, so that way you can see more beginner beauty tutorials and reviews like this one. And of course, share this video with your friends, so that way we all can look fabulous together and slay our wigs and makeup like this. And you guys already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you all in my next video.